Jaja, you see what I want to know? Only in Jamaica. Where them come from? Yo, I'm going to boy, the taxi boy and speed come around. Cause them go get full. Chinese up on the hillside, you know.
Alright, my name is Trisha. I was doing online class with my son. Online class with my son this morning about after 8. Little after 8, and I heard a rumbling. So when I realized the door fly open and I saw some boards. So when I look up, I said like my neighbor that lives on top of me, his house came down because it was a board house. And all the dirt came through the window here. My brother had to run off the bed. My son's in my son's room. Dirt, we had to run to go around to the passage. Because everything was tumbling down. Everything from the house above us came down.
My name is Rosemary Leachman, and this is the Romeo Leachman, and early this morning around 7:30, there is a stone wall stop side our home, otherwise my brother home, and while I was there trying to get the water out of my house, it seems as the stone wall with the banking came down on my brother's house. It took everything, also cover my brother. I don't know what to say.
Describe for me what you heard.
I heard boop. But I went outside to look because I think it was the front of the wall touring down. But my next door neighbor, same time running up and started to cry, Rosie, the whole of your brother house gone. Me turn idiot. So me run come out and me I look, me see my brother house. So me start run up and down and I look for the house. So by running up and down and I look for the house, me not see it. So I went over and me look the house down at the next lady home. That is Miss Mac house. So we come back down the hill, went round and went through our gate.
Field turned swimming pool. This resident went to Greenhouse to use steam from the area. The flooding extended to the homes nearby. It is holding back to demonstrate the magnitude of the problem.
Grandma. Grandma. Tired.
The people question whether they will have a roof over their heads. Right now it's just cold. We have to move out of the house right now because of the water. According to residents, flooding is a regular occurrence. What's wrong here? First time, however,
right now, I'm here by yard. That just next door from me. Landslide, all kind of things that we need help. And we need some food. I mean, other here, like no. Here's some no vehicle can pass. If anything happens, we can't come because of the water. They don't listen. We need help. So Mr. Prime Minister, you're crying at them. We really need help.
it could take days before the water subsides. Days could turn to weeks if the rain continues. But for now, all residents can do is wait and hope that the service of
Yes!
Jesus Christ! Oh God!
busy while the rain is out. I know.
Yo, the man trying to drive, watch it. Yeah, shut it out, push up them now. Blow it.
Company vehicle, man. I pay money and all that.
I think if you bus one pass it to us. Watch it, and the bus are big.
This is 5 Harbor Drive with the tires, 3 Harbor Drive, and 1 Harbor Drive. This is because of the makeshift gully behind our homes.
Shake.